everyone. Yes, welcome back to my channel. And yes, it's been 3 weeks or more that we don't have video because I'm so busy. But first of all, I want to thank you to this family for great accommodation and yes, dinner, breakfast, hanggang yung lunch namin going back to Canada right after our hiking. One of my favorite papaitan, guys, na napaka so yummy naman talaga at na-surprise kami. And you know, after the hike, talagang you feel so tired and talagang ma-surprise ka if you have your favorite food. So that's why thank you. Yes, thank you for our sponsor. This is the best lunch ever. My favorite papaitan. And the best place as well, but it's foggy. So there you go. We're here sa Oregon. And unfortunately, hindi kami nakapunta sa Cannon Beach due to the weather kasi it's so foggy. But don't worry about it because we have this very delicious lunch with matching cassava cake for dessert, and it's freshly baked. Talagang pag-pick up ko sa bahay nila, kaluluto lang ng dessert as well as yung favorite kong papaitan na very surprising itong trip na ito. At yeah, very solid. I mean, surprising sa delicious food. And yes, guys, now we're heading back to Canada. And I would like to say thank you for watching this video since our part 1 and part 2 during our hiking. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you sa ating next video. Bye now!